Inspired by lifestyle requirements, the mid-century modern nightstand is equipped with essential features. Compatible with wireless charging. There is inbuilt QI charger, so just leave your smartphone on the top of your nightstand and your phone will be charged. You can charge any device with a 5-volt input like smartphones, tablets, or other small devices like Bluetooth speaker that use any of the USB sockets. Plugs for laptops or any device not compatible with USB voltage 100 to 240 voltage. There is a secret compartment in nightstand. If you remove the top cover, you will find a compartment to store more valuable things like passport, jewelry, weapons, medicines, etc. Let's talk about nightstand height, depth and width. It's 22 inches high, means 56 cm, 19.5 inches wide, means 50 cm, and 13 inches deep, means 33 cm. How to assemble? Just put the legs together, then place the top and it will automatically hold it on.